Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth week of our online tutorials. So in this week we're going to continue the topic of your last week topic, that is about business letters. In this week we're going to focus on two different kind of letters. The first one is the letter of request and the second one is the letter of appreciation. You can find these two materials in Module 5 and Module 6 of your book, and each module consists of two different activities. So, by the end of this week, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kind of letter of request and be able to write appreciation letter, that is thank you letter, by using emails. So everyone, please do all the activities and check the link for the enrichment. And after that, don't forget to join the discussion forum 5. And since this is week 5, so you need to do assignment 2. So everyone, good luck for this week and see you next week. Bye.